Okay, we got the Diamond Audio D3 coaxial speakers in here for now, but took the other piece off of covering off of there yesterday, and we'll be starting on that one here soon. Should be this week if I can get some videos of work on it for the custom part of that with the Soundstream speakers going into it. Should work pretty good, and we should have that for both of the doors. That's what it kind of, see what it looks like right there before I took that cover off over there. Then this is what it looks like underneath. So we'll have the mid on there angled a little bit, and then the tweeter somewhere on there like that, and should have some more videos of that coming soon. These don't sound too bad. That's what I got in there. This is without the subs on too. And we'll have more videos coming soon.